Vice President of Republican Party of India, Athawale Manipur State Unit, Sapamcha Kanglipal has stated that RPI Athawale will not exploit suspension of Operation Sioux extension for political gain. Speaking to the media at RPI office at Kishampad, he emphasized that the party will not allow enrollment of any communities attempting to divide Manipur and urged the public to critically examine political moves surrounding Sioux Pact. Kanglipal raised concerns over the inclusion of Kuki tribe in the Sioux agreement, despite its removal from modification of scheduled tribe list in 1951 by the Indian Constitution. Recalling a statement by former Chief Minister Rishank Singh, he asserted that there is no constitutionally recognized Kuki tribe in Manipur. He described it as unfortunate that some political parties are trying to sideline core issues while capitalizing on Sioux extension and urged parties to disclose their stand to the public. He further highlighted the need for thorough discussion on the silence of suspended MLAs and questioned the motives of parties that included Kuki tribe in scheduled tribe list for electoral advantages. Kanglipal stressed that a public consultation should be prioritized and that the true facts about the Sioux Pact and its implication must be brought to light.
Sioux extend tawrappa matamda hawjik fawba MLA singna magi oiba wakhalol hongdoktana Manipur miyamgi interest yaudana extend tawrappa sigumba agreement se ekoi yaningde haiba fawba ngamdaba tuminna leishanba miyamgi yuldu khangna magi wakhalol hongdorpa fawba ngamdabgi thak amada lakse Manipur miyamgi damukadi yamna laibak thibane na koi longningi haita adugumba miyamgi miyut singna se Manipur miyamna wakhal tare thokna Nainaba Kanaba Matota have a concept, Mam Tamzini, Loinana, RPI da Manipur Yang Pay to like any Haina, Labor, Muayama, Ganglofama, Furupama, RPI da Madu Pedaway the Yaholoi, Berigumba Europe Pataraga Sumado RPI the Tan. Can you have a concept? Hajani. RPI low rebate stands there, Sigumna, Manipur Lady political parties in the soup. Manipur Mianda, Moga, but Chapchava Firepadon, Lapupu, Berigumba Lapupi the Pataragadi. Manipur ki miyamna su leiriba Manipur ki political party sing sigi chapchaba period sidaida lawon thokba warep sing ado soidamaki lobigani habigi thajaba thamjari